Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix a Facebook app for Windows not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter. Go to apps section and select app and features, one click, and search for Microsoft Edge and one click and select modify. If you receive a user account control, click on yes and click on repair. And this is all. Click on close and click on close, and you can search for Facebook app and hit enter, and your Facebook apps works properly. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.